you love stuff that's cool. And one of the things we're going to talk about is an art project that's going on right here in Metro Atlanta. It's called Tiny Doors ATL. Normally, we include a segment called Here's Something You Should Know About Metro Atlanta, and it's because we want everybody who lives in Metro Atlanta, many of which who are not from Metro Atlanta, we want them to know everything they need to know about Metro Atlanta in order to have a great living experience here in Metro Atlanta. So that's why we do it. And we have what's called Tiny Doors ATL. It's an Atlanta-based art project bringing big wonder to tiny spaces in Atlanta and beyond. There are 7-inch doors, little 7-inch doors that are sculptures created by an artist. I assume it's a local artist, Karen Anderson Singer, at the invitation of the neighborhood or the institution where the door is going to be displayed. They're designed to reflect the spirit, architecture, and the unique elements of the surrounding community. With an installation of a door, what was once a wall or maybe a column or something on a bridge becomes an entrance to collective creativity and an invitation to wonder. The numbered doors around Atlanta are always free to visit and accessible to people of all ages. If you want more information, it's easy. Go GaddisRadio.com. Go GaddisRadio.com/tinydoors. Go GaddisRadio.com/tinydoors. Tammy, you love art. You are so into art and nature and beauty. We got to go see these.
We do need to go see it.
And when you come to GoGaddisRadio.com and you /tinydoors, you'll get a map. So it shows you a map. And most of the installations are fairly close to downtown. Downtown, Midtown is where almost all of them are. A little bit of West Midtown. A little bit on the other side of Piedmont Park as well. But it looks like there's 10 or 12 or 15 of these things. We got to go see them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fun to get some pictures with them. I'm curious of the design of the doors, even if there's a story where it was placed, if there's a significant reason or meaning behind where they placed it and what the artist hopes for the viewer to experience and dream about and see as to where that door was placed.
So Tiny Door number 14 is at the EAV Farmers Market. It says, have you played in the playground and garden in front of Tiny Door 14? We love it. We try to feature something new and interactive at every single door. A living garden felt perfect for the East Atlanta Farmers Market. The reveal of this door coincided with our 4th birthday. So all of these do have specific meaning.
I love that.
Isn't that cool?
That is.